Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV. Mercedes attempted to redefine luxury with this car, but the market has rejected it violently. The depreciation on the EQS is staggering, with some examples losing nearly half their value in the first 12 months. The problem lies in the sheer overwhelming nature of the technology and the controversial styling. The Hyperscreen, that massive glass dashboard stretching from pillar to pillar, is a stunning piece of tech until it breaks. In 2026, when these cars are out of warranty, a screen failure could be a $10,000 repair bill. If the screen goes dark, the car is effectively bricked. Furthermore, the brake pedal in the EQS physically moves on its own, due to the regeneration system, a feature that unnerves drivers and feels unnatural. The used market craves reliability and familiarity. The EQS offers neither. It is a spaceship that no one knows how to fly. When the software updates stop and the sensors start failing, this six-figure flagship will be trading for pennies on the dollar because the maintenance risk is simply too high for the average buyer. Verdict: massive depreciation and ticking time bomb tech.